Hey man, every inch matters. Every inch. What's up, YouTube? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Wavy Wayne, and I'm here with my good friend Adam. Not Adam Long, man. Not Adam Long of the Wavy Seals Elite. Not 7-time Grammy nominee Adam Long that can help you out and be your personal mentor too. Not him. I'm talking about AdamAuidio, man. The wonderful German speaker company that keep on hooking us up over here at Wayne.wav. You feel me? Today, I'm going to be giving y'all a full review of the newest monitor from AdamAuidio, the T8V. Now, I'll also be giving this set away, so make sure y'all stick around to the end to find out how these can go from my studio to your studio. All right, so first thing first, let's just take a look at the specs, man. AdamAuidio, they're known for a couple of things. One of the things that they're known for is quality, man. And they're also known for the ribbon tweeter. So we have that ribbon tweeter here. For those of y'all know me, y'all know I love my Adam A7Xs, and I've been rocking with those for a while. But when AdamAuidio hit me up, they wanted me to try these out. I'm like, yo, man, I will definitely give them a shot. So the ribbon tweeter here is definitely good to see that they brought it over to the T8V, which is more of a budget monitor, and we'll talk more about the price later when I get down to breaking down what I think about these monitors. But it also has an 8-inch woofer, okay, as compared to the A7X, which has a 7-inch woofer. Let's go ahead and turn this around so y'all can see what's going on the back here. On the back of the monitor, we see that it is rear ported. We have a couple simple controls here. You got your power over here. You have a high frequency shelf and a low frequency adjustment where you can boost or cut the high or low frequencies by just 2 dB. And then you also have the level control of the monitor. And we have 2 input types. It could be the XLR or RCA, depending on what your needs are. Of course, I always opt for the XLR. Cool. Now let's talk pros and cons of the AdamAuidio T8V. One main thing that I really like about this monitor is that 8-inch woofer on the front. I've realized that having this 8-inch woofer really reduces the need to use the sub so much. Now, I always use subs in my mixes, dual subs in fact, but I found that whenever I switched over to using the AdamAuidio T8Vs, I was able to take the subs out and still have a full low-end response. So that was super critical. So if you are in a budget, if your budget is tight and you can't afford subwoofers right now, going for these monitors, a larger monitor with a larger woofer on it, will help you to get a more accurate low end without having to add subs into your system. And then, of course, I already talked about this ribbon tweeter that I really like. That not only does it offer you some nice silky high-end and accurate high-end, but it also reduces the ear fatigue. By whatever technology they got going on, using a ribbon tweeter versus your classic kind of tweeter, this reduces the ear fatigue, which will allow you to mix more comfortably for longer periods of time. So great additions. I'm glad that even though this is a budget monitor, they brought that feature over to this monitor as well. And since it is a budget monitor, I might as well go ahead and tell you about the price. These are starting at $299 a piece. So about $600, you can have this set of monitors. I've even seen them somewhere for maybe like $250. But for $600, you can have a great set of monitors that you can trust to do your mixes on and know that you're getting some accurate responses, man. That is compared to, of course, the A7Xs, which are about $750 for each monitor. So more than half the cost will be saved by going this route with the T8V. And not only that, if you decide that you don't need a subwoofer, this 8-inch woofer here built into the monitor will actually provide a nice low-end response for you. Now let's talk about the cons. Comparison is the mother of all disappointment, I tell you that, because when I'm comparing, I'm switching using my PreSonus Central Station. I switch between my A7Xs and these T8Vs, right? Now, the mid-range detail and clarity between the two are just not the same at all. Totally different voicing, totally different monitors. If I was blindfolded, I would not be able to tell that these both came from the same manufacturer. Now, that's not to say that this is bad. That's just to say that the A7Xs are so much better. But this is a great monitor, and I was able to do some great work on my mixes. Whenever I went over to check my mixes on here, what I noticed was that the mid-range, it was so much more unforgiving, okay? That means that any little details or nuances or a distortion would be heard immediately in these monitors. Some stuff that you just might miss on the A7X. Another con is that rear ported, man. Now, this is not a big deal for me because I have a lot of space in my studio set up to where I can move my desk away from the wall. But if you are in a smaller environment where your monitors are pretty close to a wall, having this rear port may cause a problem for you if you are very close to a wall. All of that energy from the low end can escape as it needs to. So having that could be an issue for some people, so that just watch out for that. Of course, you want to always give your monitor space between the wall and in your desk anyway. But if you can't, which is a lot of people in your situation, especially if you're in a home studio, bedroom studio type of setup, having this rear port could pose some potential problems for you, especially in that low end buildup. And let's go ahead and flip this thing back around to the front. Again, one more thing, although I do really like this simple, elegant design that they have on here, super clean, no screws or anything on the face, no switches or knobs or nothing. That's what I'm actually missing, man. I love the fact that the A7X has the power switch right on the front. It also has the level adjustment right on the front too. And it has a LED indicator to let me know that it's actually powered on. These don't have all of those features. That's not gonna necessarily make the monitor sound better or worse. It just, you know, a little convenience issue, right? But by having those controls all on the back, it does allow for a much cleaner look on the front. And honestly, some might say that it's kind of boring looking. Overall, I think that these are a good set of monitors to have, especially if you are a producer or an engineer who is starting out and you're working with a budget. AdamAuidio, I trust the brand, I trust the company. I know that it is made with quality components that you can rely on for years. And I think it comes standard with like a 2-year warranty as well. So you're gonna be good with these monitors, all right? If I had to give these monitors a rating from 0 to 10, when it comes to sound quality and build quality and overall functionality, I would have to land somewhere at about a 7 with the AdamAuidio T8Vs. Like I said at the beginning of the video, AdamAuidio has sent me these monitors to actually do a giveaway to the channel, all right? All that you have to do to win these monitors is follow me on Instagram and tag 2 friends on the AdamAuidio T8V giveaway post, all right? Entries will be closed on August 2nd and the winner will be chosen by August 3rd, so go ahead and enter today. What do you think about the AdamAuidio T8Vs? Do you want these bad boys in your studio? Leave a comment and we'll talk about it down below. Thanks for watching this video. Be dope.